Hi, this is Joanne with Stuff to Discuss TV, and I am coming to you with an unboxing from Forever 21. Yes, girl. And when you see this, it's all about the shoes. So stay tuned. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like it, of course, and ring that bell. I always forget to say that for some reason. I don't know. Subscribe, like, ring the bell, all that. And for those that are already just left this channel, you at the right place to see what I got, and then I can share this with you guys, and then you guys can get it too, right? All right, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. Here's a box. Here's a box. Now I kind of cheated. Yeah, I kind of cheated because I know I unboxed this already, but we're gonna treat it like it's already an unboxing, that I'm like, it's new to me, because that's how we treating this today, okay? So let's get started. All right, so here's the goodies. Right here, as you see, yum, yum, yum. And we're gonna start off with these shoes right here, girl. Look it. Look it. Yeah. We're gonna start with these shoes. Now, they may look like they belong to the Brat Dolls, but I don't care. I mean, at first though, I had to say that these shoes right here kind of surprised me, because I didn't think there was gonna be this platform, have such a platform to it, but it's platforming. Yes, it's doing the do. Yes, it is. So it says "So Me" right here, if you can see. And I wanted some denim. I told you I'm on a denim kick ever since trends. I mean, I've been a denim girl anyway. So, but I wanted some denim shoes. Now, I didn't want them this thick. I wanted like a little bit, just cut off a little bit. But what do you think? Does this look pretty cool? Does it? So anyway, I got some pictures right about here that I'm showing you of my, how I tried them on with this denim dress. And I, got the denim dress with the MCM belt, of course, girl. And yeah, now these, oh my God, I forgot how much these are. I'll list it below here, how much it was. I think they were no more than 20 something bucks. Or was it 30 something bucks? 30 or 20 something bucks. It's Forever 21. And I don't know if I forgot to tell you, these are from Forever 21, as I drop them. They are from Forever 21. And yeah, so this is a size, I think I got, what did I get? Oh, I got a 10. And the reason why I got a 10 is because my toes, I have long toes. I know people have short toes, some have long toes. I didn't know about that until I bought Kristen Louboutins. And when I bought those, and you start getting the So-Kate and all that other stuff, like So Me, get it? And the So-Kates and whatever, it's like, it's a difference with the toes. I was like, what are we doing? So yeah, but these platform denim shoes here are totally comfortable. Now, I have to say, when you're short, it seemed like you just rised up from the floor pretty high. So I was like, okay, what am I doing? So, but yeah, once I went outside, it became a totally different situation. But it's actually pretty fun, Now, if I do find some other ones that probably a little bit, not as much platform, I probably put those on more. But this is fun too. I mean, I don't mind doing it. So I know it's kind of like, I live in a state where the weather, California. I live in a state where the weather is hot one minute, cold. And I wouldn't wear this in the cold because my feet are cold, so I'll be hooking myself up with some boots, okay? But yeah, these right here for now, for the fall, oh, we still in the hot weather time. I mean, like now it's 95 degrees outside, and I'm like, okay. I mean, I love the hot weather, so, but yeah, fall doesn't feel like fall right now. So yeah, so I got these shoes. If you're interested, I'll put in the description box how much they cost online for 20. Well, yeah, get them online if they're still available at Forever 21. Yes, girl. And yeah, I haven't shopped there for like quite a long time because I've been an H&M person. So yeah, so I got another surprise for you. So in the box, with the box, I got these shoes here, and I'm trying to see what they say. It says, I think it's Alente or whatever. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Like I usually do everything else. I don't know if you can read it, see it right up in here. But it came in a shoebox. Those didn't come in a shoebox. Sometimes I wish shoes come in a shoebox, and sometimes they don't because they take up a lot of space. But yeah, these are the plain Janes, I guess they call them. Size 10. I got them in blue denim, and they're right here. It says it. And I love cargo. So since I love cargo pants, cargo skirt, cargo, it could be some shoes, but these are cargo shoes. So I got some cargo boots. So here are the denim cargo boots. You saw it on the box here. And here we go. And look at these bad boys right here. I'm gonna just show you one right here. These bad boys right here. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? And the heel is not that much of a heel. I think it's like a two inch kind of. But and then look at the toe is not. It's like a square kind of toe, but it's and the pockets actually, they work where you can put it. But I wouldn't put anything. I mean, it's fun. It's all fun. So yeah. So I wanted some cargo boots for quite a long time. I saw a Pinterest, I think, picture of it, and I was like, oh, we got to get that if I can get them. But here's a picture of me right here, like styling these boots with the denim dress, and all but fun. And I think these were 20 something bucks too, I think, or 30 something, but I'm gonna list it below. And yeah, I got a size 10 because again, especially with boots, I want my size 10 boots to not be calf. Well, I'm gonna say they are calf friendly. What do you call it? Calf friendly? Yeah, because even though it's called plain Jane, because I was so afraid that this was not gonna work because there's no zipper anywhere, which is kind of good because it's kind of like defeat the purpose of the look when when you do put a zipper here. But I mean, if it had a zipper, I ain't gonna complain because it's still cute to me. But yeah, I like this like kind of denim look, and it actually matched with the dark denim, as you see on my little side shots here. So, but yeah, I think this is cute. I think Zara is selling something like this too, but there's no pockets on it, so, and I think there's like $89 or something like that. So I think if I didn't get this or seen it at Forever 21, I probably would have just went to Zara because I've gotten some Zara shoes. Now I want to get some actual denim heels, but I think Forever 21 is selling that much cheaper. And I think also, who else is selling this? Steve Madden. I think Steve Madden is also selling these boots as well, but check your listing there if I don't quote me. But yeah, calf friendly for me at least. That's always a problem with me because everything else fits here, but in the calf part, it's a situation. So I don't know, but yeah, I matched it off with this, and I'm gonna match it off like I can wear some some leggings. Well, of course I got the dress on, but if I have like a mini skirt, or I don't know, I just think of a whole bunch of ways to match because I do like boots, boots, and they're not hot, they're actually pretty light, and so I like that about that. So this is my unboxing. It's a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, like I said, I'm going to put this in the description box and hopefully have a link to where you can buy it, or link to the Forever 21. If not, I'll try to look for another kind of similar type of boot, or like I said, Steve Madden's got it going on, and Zara and them got it going on. I'm not so much H&M, but they probably did have it probably last year. I don't know for sure, but yeah, but I'll go ahead and quote you, don't quote me on that, but I'll go ahead and share that with you. So again, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, ring that bell, and yeah, follow me at the other videos if you are really into stuff to discuss. So thanks again. Bye.